Hello friend, myself Vedesh Toke. Today we are going to discuss about Omar Hydraulic Powerpack. We start the video with principle and advantage of hydraulic lift. Now we see the principle of the hydraulic lift. In the hydraulic lift, oil under the pressure transmit the power. In upward movement, electric motor makes the pump turn on. The pump send the oil under pressure from the tank to the cylinder. The cylinder is connected directly or indirectly to the cabin. Determines the lift upward movement. Now we see the downward movement. The electric motor in this condition is steel. The cabin, car frame, possible passenger load makes the lift go down. In this phase, oil return to the tank without electrical energy consumption. During upward and downward travel, the running oil is controlled by the valve group, which is also monitor the lift speeds from the start to the arrival of the lift. Now we see the advantage of the hydraulic lift. In the hydraulic lift, there is no machine room on the roof and pump can be set everywhere in the building. Hydraulic lifts are cheaper to install than any other elevator type. They occupy less space in the building, require almost 10% less area for the lift shaft. It hasn't any counterweight, so it increases pace of the travel shaft. They are highly effective with the heavy load as the hydraulic power provides great lifting strength. Hydraulic lift can be installed everywhere, even in the existing or the restored building or in the stair wall. It needs little maintenance. It is safe, reliable, comfortable and noiseless. Automatic emergency is always able to take the lift to the floor in case of current shortage, avoiding risk of shut into the car. Now we see the materials comes with the hydraulic kits. The first is the Powerpack unit, second is the accessories, and the third one is the cylinder. Now we see the accessories one by one. Now we see the accessory set. In accessory set, we will get the manual. It will be good if we read the manual, so it will be good, get a good idea for the installation. We get all the technical detail in this manuals. So please use the shut-off valve. Shut-off valve is basically used to control the oil flow manually. It is very important to close the shut-off valve when we are doing any maintenance work in pit or cut-off. The next accessory which comes with the Powerpack is rupture valve. The rupture valve is the hydraulic parachute assembled on the cylinder. It operates against the free fall or the down travel with an excessive speed. The rupture valve has to capable to stop the car during the down travel and then keep it still. When the downward speed exceeds the nominal speed, if we screw, the adjacent value decreases. If we unscrew, the adjacent value will be increases. Now we will see about the Powerpack. Powerpack, first important thing, here we have to do the electrical connection for the motor and the PDC. Here we have to do the wall connection. This part is for the up pilot valve, this is for the down pilot valve. So we need to see all this in the details.
Now we see the electrical connection of Omar Powerpack. We have to remove the short link as shown in the screen. After that, we have to connect 6 wire which is coming from the controller as naming as U1 V1 W1, U2 V2 W2 for star delta connection. Now we see the PTC connection for Omar Hydraulic lift. All the motors supply with the thermistor with temperature corresponding to 110 degrees centigrade. The resistance of the thermistor is about 200 to 300 ohms when their temperature is lower than 110 degrees centigrade, but it increases strongly to 1500 to 3000 ohms when their temperature is reaching 110 degrees centigrade. PTC connection is most important for the warranty purpose. Now we see the electrical connection of valve. In Omar, we are using 4 coils: EVD, EVS, ESS, EVR. EVD is used for down slow speed. EVS is used for up direction. EVR is used for up and down high speed. ESS is used for soft stop in up direction. Placement of the coil is as shown in the screen. EVD operate on 110 volt DC and 12 volt DC. EVS, ESS, EVR operate on 110 volt DC. Now we will see the coil connection of Omar Hydraulic. We have to do the connection as per shown in the screen. In 1 number, we have to give 110 volt positive supply from the container. In 2 number, we have to give 110 volt negative supply from the container. In 3 number, we have to give earthing supply. We have to do the same connection from the rest of the coil. Now we are seeing the flow graph of Omar Hydraulic. In up direction, motor and EVS coil is continuously on till the flow reaches. EVR is continuously on while run in high speed for up direction. SSV coil is used for soft stop in up direction. In down direction, motor is still. EVD coil is continuously on till the flow reaches. EVR coil is on only for the high speed.